you know about the 180-minute nightly gap for healthy living? It is the single most important timing rule for your metabolism, yet almost everyone is getting it wrong. It's like trying to deep clean your house while a construction crew is still working inside. The janitor can't get to the dust because the delivery trucks are blocking the hallway. It won't work, and it leaves your system cluttered and sluggish. But before we go into how that 180-minute gap changes your biology, let's go through your night ritual.
It's 8:42 p.m. You're standing in your kitchen. The lights are bright. The house is quiet. You open the fridge. There it is. A small bowl of yogurt. Maybe some fruit. Something light. Something harmless. You hesitate for half a second. Then you take a bite. Now, right there, that exact moment, that's when your body quietly switches off its ability to burn fat for the next several hours. No alarms, no warning, no feeling. Just shut down. And if this is happening every night, you're not just slowing fat loss, you're canceling it. For almost 2 full months every year. Here's the truth most people never hear. Fat loss is not just about what you eat. It's about when your body is allowed to burn. Your body actually has a built-in system designed to burn fat while you sleep. Think of it like a nighttime cleaning crew. While you sleep, your body is supposed to burn stored fat, repair itself, reset hormones, clean out metabolic waste. But most people unknowingly lock that system out every single night. Your body runs on an internal clock known as the Circadian Rhythm. This clock controls everything: your energy, your hunger, your sleep, and most importantly, when your body burns fat. Researchers at Salk Institute for Biological Studies discovered something powerful. When you eat late at night, your fat cells begin to lose their ability to respond properly to insulin. In simple terms, your body stops burning and starts storing. Now here's where most people get it completely wrong. You finish dinner, you relax. Then around 8:30 p.m., that little voice shows up. Just something small. A handful of fruit. A low-calorie snack. Something healthy. But here's what nobody tells you. That one small bite triggers what we can call the insulin shadow. For the next 3 to 4 hours, your body is not allowed to burn fat. Not reduced. Not slowed. Completely blocked. Do you do this every night? It means you are spending over 1,400 hours a year unable to burn fat. That's about 60 full days of lost fat burning time. Think about that. Before we go into the exact 6-to-1 nightly reset countdown that turns your body into a fat-burning machine while you sleep, I want to see who is serious about this. Type "ready" in the comments if you're tired of doing everything right and seeing no results. And take a second. Look around your family. If someone you love is struggling with their weight or energy, share this with them. Because this isn't just about fat loss. It's about how your entire family ages. Now, let's break down the 6-to-1 nightly reset countdown that turns your body into a fat-burning machine while you sleep. Number 6. The 180-minute gap. Your last bite of food must happen at least 180 minutes before bed. If you go to sleep while your body is still digesting, fat burning doesn't happen. Your body can't clean and process at the same time. It's like trying to clean your house while construction is still going on inside. It won't work. Give your body that 3-hour window. That's when the real magic starts. Number 5. The blue light sabotage. Those bright lights in your home at night? They're confusing your brain. They suppress melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to burn fat and recover. Instead, your body thinks it's still daytime. So what does it do? It stays in storage mode. Simple fix. Turn off overhead lights. Use soft lamps. Dim your environment after dinner. You're signaling to your body, the day is over. Number 4. The temperature drop. Your body burns more fat when it cools down. Why? because it has to generate heat internally. That process burns energy. A slightly cooler room forces your body to work overnight. If your room is too warm, your body relaxes and burns less. Number 3. The tea trick. That late night hunger? Most of the time, it's not real hunger. It's habit. Instead of eating, drink something warm. Herbal tea, warm water, no sugar, no honey. This gives you that full feeling without triggering insulin, which means fat burning stays on. Number 2. The liver flush. Before bed, your body relies heavily on your liver. Think of it like your internal filter. If it's overloaded, fat burning slows down. A simple habit: warm water with a squeeze of lemon, about 1 to 2 hours before bed. This helps your system process waste more efficiently. Nothing extreme, just support. And now, number 1, the nightly reset. Most important. This is the game changer. After your final meal, take a 10-minute slow walk. Not exercise, not a workout, just a relaxed stroll. What this does is powerful. It clears excess sugar from your blood, reduces insulin quickly, prepares your body to burn fat the moment you fall asleep. Instead of spending hours cleaning up sugar, your body goes straight to burning fat. I'm going to pause here for a second, because this is bigger than weight loss. Your metabolism affects your heart, your brain, your energy, your longevity. If this makes sense to you, send this to the person you eat dinner with the most, because you could literally change their health just by sharing this. Now, here's the reality. This isn't complicated, but it does require awareness. You don't need extreme diets. You don't need intense workouts. You just need to stop interrupting a system that already works. Tonight, you're going to face that same moment again. The kitchen, the fridge, the small snack. But now you know what it really does. Start with just one simple step. Finish eating 3 hours before bed. That's it. Very easy. Let your body do what it was designed to do. Remember, at Clear Health Academy, the goal is simple. Take complex science and make it practical for everyday life. And if this connected with you, subscribe and join thousands of others who are taking back control of their health. Like this video so more people can find it, and share it with someone you care about. Because the smallest nightly habit can change everything. I'll see you in the next video, where we break down the truth about heart-healthy oils and what they're really doing inside your body.